Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about can you connect your Printify to your Amazon? So the answer to that, of course, right here is yes. So Printify and Amazon has actually collaborated, and now you can sell your custom products with the biggest online retailer in the world right here. So all you have to do is go to printify.com/Amazon/ and then here you'll be able to do this 100% free and direct integration. So all you have to do is press this connect button and you can connect it right here. So basically, as you can see, you'll have to register and you can do it for free. So let's discuss right here. So you'll get also exclusive cashback program when you sell on Amazon. So the Amazon integration is live and they kick things off with exclusive offer right here. So you can get 10% off for 3 months on all eligible orders, which is pretty cool, right? So when you're a startup and you're just new, you'll get a 10% cashback, which will help you save in your business. So here, you can sell on Amazon with Printify. The step 1 is just creating a Printify account, then creating your products, then creating your Amazon store, of course, then connecting it, and then here, the networks will fulfill your orders automatically, which is pretty awesome. So this is trusted by 10 million successful merchants right here. And you can also see why you can use Printify Amazon integration to sell merch on demand. So basically, they have a vast product range right here, 900 products, even more. No order of minimums, bulk orders are also available. No upfront costs. Scalability is also not an issue. Automation and efficiency is the best right here. Branding and customization is very extensive and you can customize to your liking. The quality of printing is of course one of the best and high quality, and even get dedicated support from them. So there's supported in 100 countries with 4.1 billion products sold and $1 billion invested. So as you see right here, there's 10% extra profit on all Amazon orders if you start selling today with Printify and Amazon. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.